Start an adventure tourism business. An adventure tourism business is often looked upon by many aspiring entrepreneurs as a way to take their own outdoor leisure hobbies and turn it into a profitable business. Adventure tourism normally takes part in strange, remote or exotic locations. The target market is generally males aged 18 to 40 who are commonly known and referred to as adrenaline junkies. However, the adventure or extreme sports are gaining a lot of traction with all market segments as they are televised more, and the continuing growth of such franchises like the X Games. There are many types of adventure tourism business, mainly due to the fact there are many adventure sports. Some popular adventure tourism businesses: object replacement character, surfing, canoeing, wakeboarding, whitewater rafting, windsurfing, rock climbing, paragliding, mountain biking, rallying, etc. The list goes on and on. Most adventure tourism businesses will be limited to one or two adventure sports or activities, mainly due to geographical restrictions, i.e. you can't go canoeing without a river. It's recommended that you should also stick to your area of expertise. This way you're more likely to provide a better experience for your guests, and therefore grab some of the all-important referral business. Depending on the type of adventure tourism business you decide to start will depend on how much the startup cost will be. For instance, if your focus is on mountain biking, your startup cost will likely be very small. However, if you are thinking of parachute jumping, your cost will be a lot higher. One thing all of the adventure activities and sports have in common are their need for protective clothing. You should put health and safety on a pedestal and strive to operate the safest business you can. Another large cost of running an adventure sport business is insurance. It is a guarantee that your customers will suffer injury on a daily basis. For this reason, insurance costs are particularly high and customers will generally be required to sign waivers, sometimes multiple. It is advisable to spend some money and have a lawyer who is familiar with adventure tourism draw up these waivers.